Hey everyone, this is my wind-up deck profile. I changed a few stuff around, but yeah, so here it is. 3 rabbit. Shit, where are they? 3 rat. 3 shark. 2 magician, 1 hunter. That's it for the wind-ups. I believe that's 12 wind-ups. Yeah. Something like that. And then 3 tour guide, tour bus, and Sangan. I might take out tour bus because it makes the card 41, like a 41 card deck, and I don't like 41. It's just a weird number, but it's whatever. It's really good though. It helps you get 4 cards out of their hands instead of 3. And then triple effect veiler, just staple. Play double factory, just to help thin out the deck and get to your combo pieces faster. Double lance helps you run over stuff and protect your guys. And for the back row destruction, I play triple ST, 1 heavy. Staples, Dark Hole, Book of Moon, Monster Reborn. Then Mind Control and Pot of Avarice. No, really, not much explanation there. Salt Brigade. Shit. Double Torrential, just double up the field, and I play. It combos really well with the rabbit, and then Blue Phoenix Chain just to save me for another turn. Extra deck. 1 command attack for the fusion, 5 stars. Zimeo, Tyrus, Avery's for the rank 4s. Maestro, Utopia, and Utopia Ray for the rank 3s. The rank 3s, 1 Leviathan, 1 Leviair, 1 Acid Golem, 1 Giga Brilliant, 1 Zed Maze, and then triple Carrier. Side deck, 2 Shadow Mirror for Inzectors, 2 Chain Discs for Inzectors, Wind-Ups, and Heretics, 1 Deep Prison, and 1 Bottomless for Chaos Dragons, Heretics, dino-rabbit, 1 Soul Tiger for Chaos Dragons, 1 Snowman Eater, 1 Cyber Dragon, 1 Spirit Reaper, double Thunder King, and then double Maxi. So yeah, that's the deck profile. Rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and yeah, peace.